how to export page in Notion. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to quickly export a page in Notion Perfect for backing up important docs, sharing outside the app, or keeping your work in multiple formats. First, head over to Notion and log into your account. The quickest way, click Continue with Google, choose your account, and you'll be right in your workspace. Now, find the page you want to export. Maybe it's a project plan, research notes, or a database. Click on it to open it up. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the page menu. From the drop-down, select Export. You'll get options for different formats like PDF, HTML, or Markdown. Pick the one that works best for you, then click Export again to start the download. And that's it, your Notion page is now saved to your device, ready to use, share, or store wherever you need it. It's a quick, powerful way to keep your work accessible beyond Notion, whether you're collaborating, archiving, or just like having a backup.